Good morning, you guys. So today is the Nordstrom anniversary sale, the first day. I apparently have some like Willy Wonka ticket, but I don't know if that's true because so they basically sent in the mail this little booklet with a little coupon that said if you bring this to the sale the first day, even though you're not an icon, I think that's what it is. If you're not an icon tier, you can still shop the sale. I think my tier is an ambassador, so we'll see. We're gonna go there. I made an 8 o'clock appointment with a stylist to help like pull things to save some time. And of course, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, liking. I do make a lot of clothing hauls, styling videos, bougie on a budget videos. Nordstrom is a little bit more expensive, but during this sale time, you can get a lot of really great items for such a good deal for the whole entire family. So yeah, I think that's all I want to say. My husband is getting gas, and then we're gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts and hit the road. And Aria is already impatient. So yeah, like and subscribe, and let's go to Nordstrom.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we had were scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to, I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Strangers again.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.